Hello, everyone. My name is Tyler McDonald. I am the Technical Services Manager here at Iris. And today we're going to be walking through the process of purchasing the Sonus View Pro on the Iris web store. Previously, I showed you how to create and register for a new account on the Iris web store. And now we will be using that same account to purchase a product from the web store itself. So first, what we're going to do is make sure that you are logged in on your account that you created previously. If you haven't already, you can do so by watching the video associated with this series for creating an account, or you can continue to logging into that account by clicking the person icon in the upper right-hand corner. If you are already logged in, these options will instead be My Account and Log Out. If you can see these, you are successfully logged into the system. If you have not purchased anything previously, you will show up with no orders and no downloads currently listed under your account. To proceed, go to the store page from the drop-down and then select Sonus View Pro on the right-hand side of the menu. The Sonus View Pro can be purchased by adding the item to cart and then continuing from there. If you have received a coupon code from an Iris sales representative, you can use that once you've added the product to the cart. Please note that you are limited to one Sonus View Pro purchase per activity. If you wish to make use of all three uses of the Sonus View Pro coupon code, you will need to do so by purchasing the product 3 separate times. So, to continue from here, we are going to click Add to Cart. A new pop-up will appear at the very top, allowing us to view the cart, or you can click on the shopping cart in the upper right-hand corner. Here, we have the Sonus View Pro, its listed price, quantity of 1, and the subtotal. To update this to 0 using a coupon code, input the Iris coupon code in the Enter Coupon Code section. Then click Apply Coupon Code. As you can see, with the coupon applied, I have now reduced the price to $0. This coupon code can be used an additional 2 times for a total of 3 times in total. This can be installed on one account or several accounts. Once you have applied the coupon and the price has been reduced, go ahead and proceed to checkout by clicking the button on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you've proceeded to checkout, you will be required to input billing details. Please note that you will not be required to input any payment information if the price and total is reduced to $0. At the very bottom, we will see our order information, Sonus View Pro for one product, and its end price, $0. Then complete to place order. Now that I've completed my order, I will see the order receipt, which shows the 3 downloads associated with the Sonus View Pro. This is the Sonus registration guide, which can walk you through the process of registering your product, the Sonus View Pro 32-bit and Sonus View Pro 64-bit operating system versions. It also lists the email address that the activation will be sent to, your date and order number. Additionally, since we've already purchased it, we have also received our serial number. You will also receive this number in your My Account page from your login and by email. As you can see here, this is the order email you will receive along with the information you've already seen, which shows the 3 Sonus View Pro downloadables, the total price, and the serial codes associated with it. Now, I can download the Sonus View Pro 64-bit or 32-bit versions, whichever match my computer, and use a serial number associated with it. If at any time you misplace this order, you can go to My Account by logging into the Iris web store and you will see an order listed. Go to the same order where you ordered the Sonus View Pro and click View. And in that list, you will have all three of the downloadables for that product and the serial number associated. We will continue next time in installing the Sonus View Pro and using the serial number. Thank you.